But as far as living at your mom's house, and your mom's house, you are not an adult, you're a child. And let me tell you why. Because that's your mom's house, that's not your house. So if she wants you to wash dishes, you need to wash dishes. 2022 CR 6828, State of Texas versus Alonzo Miguel Taylor. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Danny Westmore, State of Texas.
For the defense?
Greg Desmarais.
And are you Mr. Taylor?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Is there an application?
There is an application, Your Honor.
And is that application for deferred and regular?
It is, Judge.
All right. Mr. Taylor, did you review a document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you sign it and did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you the true bill of indictment. Could everyone please whisper? Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes,
Mr. Taylor, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of felon in possession of a firearm? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Mr. Taylor, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 5 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine and the state will remain silent on your application. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
I did, Judge.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
State offers states exhibit 1 in all attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Judge, there were also 2 TICs that were supposed to be written in there. I apologize.
Oh, no problem.
No objections. Thank you.
Can you make sure? All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Ms. Ferguson, I need a PSI report.
May 10th work.
I only say that because I have another court date, but I can make it work. So whatever.
Well, let's put it on May 10th and see if it's ready. The PSI report may not be ready. That's the only issue.
Yes, ma'am. And Judge, if I may,
Mhm.
the state has agreed to a $20,000 bond on this case. He was, didn't have a bond set. He'd missed his court date. And that was that. And picked up these new cases, but I'm asking if the court would agree to a 20,000 bond. He's been in jail for 2 months. Obviously, our application for probation. I want to get him out there. I want to get him a job. I want to get him working.
All right, so with regards to that, the new cases that are being dismissed were taken in consideration.
Yes,
So I would need to know what the
There were
new
20
cases are and what the offense dates are. Are you going to be here tomorrow? You think you're going to,
I won't judge.
what if you're on the jury?
Well, I don't know. They're calling. I may be removed from the panel by now.
Well, I tell you what we can do is we can do it by Zoom because I know you have to go. If you're available to do it by Zoom, we can take care of this by Zoom.
If the bond. is
They
set.
want a
Okay,
bond for,
yeah, that's fine.
because I only need a few things that I don't have, and I know you're in a rush. Like,
I
I need to know
apologize.
no problem. I just need to know the offense dates for those charges. And the state may be able to get that to me, and I'll be able to make a decision on your agreement or not.
Yes, ma'am. We'll take care of it.
Okay.
Well, we can give you the information if you want, Judge.
Yes, if you all will write it down and give me that information,
Yes, ma'am.
and then go ahead and do your jury duty.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
And if we get a break, I'll come back up here.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, wait, we have the offense dates.
Yeah,
right?
no. The Alton State Judge for
Yeah.
those two cases that were taken into consideration are February 10th, 2023. And they happened at the same time.
The same time as this.
No. This is felon in possession and an evading arrest in a vehicle. Happened on the February 10th, 2023 case.
Mhm.
And then he was out on bond on the felon in possession case. That happened on April 2nd, 2022.
All right, so what bond are you all asking for?
I believe he was asking for bonds on the indicted case that he just pled to.
Correct.
And are you all in agreement on a bond?
Well, the state recommends, it was set at 20,000, when it was initially, and I believe I went up to 20,000, and that's what the bonds are set on the two new cases also, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. So we had agreed earlier to a 20,000 bond. For Jason.
That was, I'm sorry, that's correct.
Yeah, it was 10 and then you
That's
moved
what
it
the
to-
recommendation was, and that's what I believe stated.
All right, so Mr. Taylor, you're under oath. It appears that in the police report that I have that there may have been some marijuana. So
in the
do you
report that we just
use
pledged.
marijuana?
Yes, ma'am, a little bit.
All right, what does that mean? How often are you smoking marijuana?
I like once or 2 times a week.
Okay. Anything else?
No, ma'am. Well, I drink a little bit, that's it.
Who do you live with?
I live with my mom.
Does she want you there?
Yes, ma'am. She's in the car right now.
All right. Where's his mom?
She's in the back with the mask.
Okay. Who else lives there? Any minors? Any children?
Yes, my brothers and my sister.
And how old are they approximately?
One's 17 and another one's like 24.
Anyone younger than 17 live in the house?
Yes, my little brother, 10 years old.
Your Honor, do you want me to bring?
Judge, sorry, just,
Yes.
if it's on the
Yes.
record, I see that.
Yes, let's bring Bomb up.
Yes, ma'am.
Taylor on this side, please.
Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Tracy, Tejeda,
Tracy.
Tejeda.
All right. How many children are living in the home?
So I have my 4,
Okay, so what are their ages?
10, 9, 13, and 17.
Okay. And is it just you, the children who live there?
Yeah, me, my daughter is right here, is with me too. She's 25, and then just the kids, and then Alonzo.
All right. Do you want Alonzo in the home?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna put him on, I'm gonna set his bond, but I'm gonna put him on GPS.
I was gonna add. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
I had originally asked him if we could.
All right, so it's gonna be GPS, and the only time he's gonna be allowed to leave the home is if he has employment. So it's gonna be full house arrest. And if he gets employment, then just let the court know and I'll consider that.
Thank you, Judge.
So I'll set his bond at 15,000 since I'm putting him on GPS.
Yes, sure.
I'll ask that the fees are waived, or deferred.
Thank you, Judge.
And thank you so much for coming
Thank you,
in.
ma'am.
I do have a question.
Yes,
Go ahead.
For treatment for Alonzo outside of the facility, because he is considered disability. So I already have somewhere for him to go, so he can start to get from Central Health Services.
So you're saying while he's out on bond, if he can
Yeah.
go to this facility?
Mhm.
all right. And I'll put in there, he's allowed to attend all medical appointments. And if there's an issue with GPS where they say he's not allowed to go someplace and it's for medical, just let your attorney know. Or either you can come in court. We're here from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, and you can come in and let us know if there's an issue.
Okay.
All right. Is there anything else he needs?
Well, just, some anger management classes, some counseling, stuff like
Okay.
that is something that would be really beneficial for him.
All right, well, that's something, if I grant his application, that's something I'll take care on that end.
Yeah.
But I'm going to ask if you will be back here on May 10th as well. Ms. Ferguson, can you make sure they get a reset form for May 10th? If you could be here as well, because then I'll delve into more about what he may need if I grant his application, okay?
And for the
Thank
court's
you.
info, we definitely are going to have his mom here
Okay.
for court that day.
All right,
Thank you.
thank you. All right, Mr. Taylor,
Come on up.
I'm going to tell you, it is rare. Sometimes people show up to court, their parents don't come. So I'm going to set your bond at 15,000. You're going to be living at your mom's house. How old are you?
I'm 19.
All right, you're 19. That's an adult. That's why you're in adult court. But as far as living at your mom's house and your mom's house, you are not an adult. You're a child. And let me tell you why. Because that's your mom's house. That's not your house. So if she wants you to wash dishes, you need to wash dishes. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, on full GPS, if there's a barbecue outside and somebody wants you to come out and work the grill, that GPS is going to go off that you're violating your GPS zone. So you can't go outside in the yard to work the grill. If somebody wants to give you a barbecue plate, you can't be sticking your hand out the window to get it. You are confined in your home. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you violate this GPS, that will tell me something about whether or not you can follow the court's rules and whether or not I should place you on deferred or regular probation. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And I'm going to order that he do UAs as well.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Is there anything else?
Nothing, Judge.
All right. Could I get a B page on Mr. Taylor?
Thank you, Judge.
All right. And then that's the reset form. Have your client sign it and
Yes.
then enjoy your jury selection.
Open.
Court is calling 2021 CR 2984 State of Texas versus Charles Jones. And to the clerk, can you give me another page? There's no room to write on this. All right, thank you. All right, court is calling 2021 CR 2984 State of Texas versus Charles Lee Jones. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Debbie Cruz on behalf of the state, Your Honor.
Defense,
Russell Mitchell for Mr. Jones.
are you Mr. Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge, and I did.
All right, court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Jones, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? No, go ahead. Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Mr. Jones, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you. Thank you. And you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
He is.
Mr. Jones, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Counsel, I'm sorry. Next, I'm showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 9 months in the state jail facility. The state is silent on your application. Did you understand that's to be the plea? Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
Sorry, Judge.
Have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
At this time, the state introduces state's exhibit number 1 and all of its attachments.
No objection, Judge.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Everyone, when we're on the record, if you're sitting behind the court reporter, you need to ask the deputy to move you down at the end. All right. Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. All right, counsel, is there a reason the offer is a cap of 9 months? Does your client have criminal history?
He does, Judge. That's why we were asking for a PSI.
All right, and what is his criminal history?
Your Honor, I believe he had a prior trip of 7 years TDC on
That was
a
in
couple of cases.
2004. No, even before that,
Okay, for what?
manufactured or possession of certain chemicals with intent to manufacture.
I know one of them was bail jumping, Judge, and there was other couple of them. It was a possession case, Your Honor.
All right, so the other one is a possession as well?
Possession case and a jumping bail, and he failed to appear several times on this case, Your Honor. That's why we,
Okay, and there's no possession with intent to deliver, is there?
no, not on this case, Your Honor.
All right, so when we were here in July, I know you were not the attorney, but it says that the defendant had a pending unindicted drug case.
Yeah, I believe they've all been resolved at this.
He did, Judge, but they were dismissed.
Okay, all right, thank you. So do you waive PSI?
Yes, maybe we should get one or.
Counsel, are you waiving PSI?
Yes.
All right. So Mr. Jones, If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
I'll be clean, Your Honor.
All right, when's the last time you used?
October 15th of last year, of this year. No, last year. Got nearly 6 months clean.
All right, are you in some type of treatment program?
I just go to meeting,
You just what?
go to the meetings. I have
Okay.
been going when I can.
Okay. All right, are you employed?
No, ma'am, I'm just signed up for my disability.
Okay, and what's your disability?
I've got a bad heart. And ever since I had COVID 2 times, my lungs are messed up. And there's other stuff. I got PTSD. I've been shot in the head and everything, all kinds of stuff.
All right, how old are you?
60, it's me 61.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Oh, I'm sorry, one other question. Do you have any grandchildren or children that live with you?
No,
Do you have any grandchildren?
yes, I do have 4.
What are their ages?
One is 9 months and the oldest one is, he's in 7th grade.
Okay. All right, do they visit you?
I visit them, yeah, we visit.
All right, and
And they're
you're,
7 hours away.
all right, is there anyone who visits them with you? Are you with them by yourself or?
No, usually their mom's there and my sister.
All right. All right, this is what the court is going to do. As previously stated, the court has found you guilty. The court will sentence you to 9 months in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 2 years. I'm going to ask you to continue to do his meetings. And I'm going to want 90 meetings. Well, not 90 meetings. I'm going to want you to do one NA or AA meeting per week until further notice. Now, if you need to do more than one meeting, how many meetings were you doing?
I've been going like just once every couple of weeks, but at my house is like a meeting.
Okay. All right. So we're going to do a meeting a week. If you need to do more than one meeting a week to remain clean and sober, you can do that.
I'm never going to use again.
Okay. We're going to do a TAP evaluation. If the TAP evaluation recommends inpatient treatment or either supportive outpatient treatment, only follow through with the supportive outpatient treatment if he ends up testing positive. And we'll start with supportive out treatment. I'm going to want regular reporting. That's by Zoom or in person. Regular UAs, or you can do the patch. The patch costs more, but there's less time constraints with it because they put the patch on you and tell you when you need to come in to have it removed, but it's costs more. So you can either do regular UAs or you can do the patch. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month until further notice. And state, you can count the field visit as his reporting if you want to do it that way. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. So you can still have contact with your grandchildren, but there has to be another adult there. Okay. Proof of employment or SSI within 45 days. And there's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And if you have not been approved for SSI by the time that 45 days arrives, he needs to have present documentation to probation what his status is on the SSI. And if there is an issue probation where you feel he's not doing what he needs, either to get his SSI or either to get employment, just report it to the court. If you feel that probation is not answering your concerns or addressing something, then I'm here from Monday through Friday, okay? All right, probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Mr. Jones, also, while you're on probation, you're not allowed to drink alcohol. You understand? All right, good luck to you, and thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alonzo Miguel Taylor is 19 years old. He stands before Judge Stephanie Boyd in a Texas courtroom, charged with felony firearm possession. He has a plea deal, a chance at deferred adjudication, and he answers every question with a quiet, "Yes, ma'am." He admits to smoking marijuana twice a week. Honesty seems like his only defense. Then the judge calls his mother, Tracy, to the stand. 4 children live in that house. The youngest is only 10 years old. The judge's face shifts. She sets bond at $15,000, but not for release, for full GPS house arrest. If there's a barbecue outside, she warns, you cannot go work the grill. You cannot stick your hand out the window to get a plate. You are confined to your home. She looks directly at Alonzo and delivers the truth no plea deal could soften. You're 19. That's why you're in adult court. But as far as living at your mom's house, you're a child. If she wants you to wash dishes, you wash dishes. This wasn't vengeance. It was intervention. The judge didn't send him to prison. She sent him home, wired, watched, and humbled. Because sometimes the most terrifying sentence isn't a cell. It's realizing you never truly grew up.